Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti. So I was walking by my guest bathroom here and I had noticed that it just looks really, I don't know, dorm-like. And I wanted to just add, I made that and I really loved it, but I think it sits a little too high. Now I've just got some candles here. And then here I just have like a wastebasket. And so I just felt like it looked a little too dorm-like. So I decided I'm going to go ahead and renovate as cheaply as possible. And sorry, I'm trying to let you guys see here. And I think I'm just going to try and add a little bit of hominess here, and we'll see what we can come up with. Hello again. So we're going to go ahead and show you how I'm going to redo the bathroom. I've got my hair all done up in college dorm style because that's what I feel like. I feel like that bathroom looks like a college dorm. So I wanted to redecorate it and give it a little bit more of a at-home feel. So let me go ahead and show you. I have one of these little guys, and I think I'm going to replace the old candles. They've just sat there, kind of got dusty, and so I think I'm going to replace those with that little lovely little grass tin there, which would be easy to DIY, but I happen to have it, so we're going to go ahead and use that. Then we're going to DIY these little guys, and I'm sure you already know what I'm going to be doing, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm just going to move you right down here. This is a couple other things, and I'll show you that in a bit. But this is going to be really easy. If you guys know me, I flip things over. So I'm going to take that over. I'm not worried about this because it's going to be just hidden. So what I'm going to do is just take some hot glue, and I'm going to go all the way around the edges here. And I don't want it to fall out, so I'm kind of trying to get it toward the inside. And this is going to give it a good enough seal for me because, again, this is a guest bathroom. I'm only going to be putting a little bit of, you know, like things for the guests to use when they stay the night. So I want to get this nice and straight, so I'm now going to flip this guy over. And again, I'm not really worrying about this, but we'll go ahead and take it off just for the time being. And then take that and put it right in the center there, centering it nicely. And I think that's really good. And look, it's already stuck together. But I am going to hold it, and look at how cute that is. So now instead of having that really high, tall holder, I have this nice little holder that totally has that beachy feel that I still want to keep in there. So that was a quick and easy DIY, $2. And then let me show you. I had that just Dollar Tree wastebasket, which has been working really well. Let me get this back up for you. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I had that, you can see Stanley's toy back there. There we go. And I wanted to show you guys what I ordered. And actually, let's see here. This one was sent to me by Organizer Pro. So I went ahead, and this is the first time I'm opening this one. I do have the larger one, which I'm going to use in place of that wastebasket to hold my towels. And I just think it'll give it a nice homier feel. But look at this little guy here. It is a wicker basket. And all you're gonna do is once you get it out, it's like jute. I said wicker, but it's like jute. So we're just gonna do that there. And then look at this cute little basket. So we've got 3 of these little guys here. And then, so there's 3 that came in this package. And I'll leave the links down below if you guys want to grab some of these for yourself. But let me show you the larger one. And this one comes with 2. And this is what I'll be using. Look how cute these handles are. And this is what I'll be using for the towels rather than a Dollar Tree laundry basket. So I don't know, I think it'll look cute. Let's go ahead and put everything in there and see how it works out. Okay, so first things first is these candles. They're actually candles within a candle jar. So I think I could DIY those to be a little bit cuter. And so in the time being, and for right now, I'm going to put the grass there in the galvanized tin. So that's the change there. Let's see if it helps at all. Well, it is cute. It does give it a little bit of like a little beachiness because, you know, with the nice grass there, but that definitely needs to be changed. And then that guy there, I think we'll change that as well. So let's go ahead and put this guy, I'm going to move him somewhere else and then change out the pedestal. Okay, I changed that out. I think it gave it a little bit of another homier feel, not as, what's the word, jumbled, and you can see exactly where the soaps and whatnot are there for my guests. So I think what we're going to do is get the towels. I only have 1. I'm probably going to put a few more towels, maybe a couple there, and actually 1 or 2 on the rod and see how that works. So let me change that out. Okay, while I was doing that, I decided to add the little DIY that I had made and wasn't able to use on one of my last guys, and I just thought it was so cute, and I think it looks a little bit better there than having my Bath and Body stuff there. So I think that came out super cute, and then it kind of ties in with the greenery there. And then just so I can give you a point of reference without changing anything out, just the 1 towel there just like it was before, and I think that gives it a little bit of a homier feel for sure. So the towels are drying. I'm going to get a few more towels and decorate, and then I'll show you the before and after picture, and you guys comment down below and let me know what you think. Do you prefer the before or the after, or does it really not make a difference? But I definitely want to thank Organizer Pro for showing me these wonderful baskets, and I just adore them. You guys know how much I love to wrap things in jute, so I cannot wait. Again, I'll put the link down below in case you guys want to order any of these baskets for yourself. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.